You know, we got to do the comb test just to verify that this is 100% glueless, guys. Like, look at that. Come on. Alright guys, so we're back today with a talk through install video. This video is going to be super easy for you guys today. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sending me this bomb pre-cut lace unit, guys, and it is a closure style unit. Now pre-cut, as you guys can see, it's already done for you. Now one thing I could say about Unice Hair Company is that they pre-plucked this joint to the T as well, so I'm not going to touch this wig at all. The only thing I did with this unit, guys, was co-wash it. I did bleach the knots ever so lightly because I need my knots bleached, especially when this is going to be a quick install type of unit, a pop on and pop off. You want it to look super seamless, so I did go ahead and bleach the knots. The company does their own plucking and bleaching, but you know, I'm extra like that. But I did not tweeze his hair. This is the pre-plucked hairline on it. They did a really good job on this unit. So the unit is very nice. It comes with an adjustable strap in it. It is a nice breathable cap as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. So it's very simple to put on. You guys are about to see this. Like, it's like ridiculously crazy. So this is the unit when I just plopped it on like this, guys. Obviously with this unit I did go ahead and co-wash it and I straightened it out. It is a straight style unit and it is very, look at how gorgeous this unit lays, and the unit is super flat. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up on this one. Look at how gorgeous this unit is. This is a unit just slapped on my head, really didn't do nothing with it. So obviously you guys will see like a little bit of lace right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit of this off, but for the most part that's practically it on this unit. I don't even think I need to go ahead and spray this unit down just because it's so seamless. Usually I'll spray them down, but this company pre-plucked this unit to the T. I don't even have to touch this unit. I'm not even gonna put baby hairs in it or anything, just because it's very nice, straight, and like, look at how Unice Hair Company, this one might have to be one of my favorites because this one is literally the easiest wig to install, period. Now you guys know I love these pre-cut lace wigs, these closure wigs, just because it's easy to wear these on vacation. I wore one last week on my trip and it was just very simple, plop on and plop off. Now even though it's like a hot temperature trip or whatever, if it's like a really tropical hot place, I still feel like this will work, especially if you want to do like a straight look for dinner or something like that. So I'm gonna bring this one on my next trip just because, like, look. Yeah, so I'm gonna adjust the straps and then we're gonna go ahead and cut this just the little edges off together. I'm literally not going to do anything else, so this video is gonna be very simple. Alright guys, so I grabbed a pair of scissors and like I said, I'm just gonna trim like these little pieces right here, like this little bit of lace right here. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera. Hopefully I'm in focus. Gonna trim a little bit right there off. So let me go ahead and show you guys the length of this unit. Like, look at how sleek and straight this unit is. Like, what? Do y'all see that? Absolutely stunning, guys. Like, look at how sleek this unit is right here. Very sleek, very pretty. And let me come up, do a close-up again on you guys. No glue. And you know what? Let's do a quick lift up because I know y'all. Look at. Just manage that out. Fix a little bit of these hairs right here. Look at that, guys. Up and down. Look at, ready? Up and down. So you know we got to do the comb test just to verify that this is 100% glueless, guys. Like, look at that. Come on. Alright y'all, I'm gonna run the straightener through this just so you guys can see how buttery, silky straight this is. Now I didn't add any products to the hair because when it's silky straight like this, I don't want the hair to be weighed down. I want the hair to kind of flow and look really natural and pretty. The hair is like butter, guys, like butter. Like, I really was looking for a bust down middle part unit. I might actually have to go ahead and dye this one jet black. This is going to be my bust down middle part unit, and the fact that it is 100% glueless. Now I can honestly admit now, I love a good 13x4 frontal type of unit or whatever, but when you have options like this and the options are better, why would, guys, this makes the most sense. So I'm gonna add like a little bit of the wax stick in the front right here just because some of these little hairs are just falling out of place. Just to kind of make sure it looks seamless AF in the front area right here as much as I can, but not just, I don't want to add too much of the wax stick on there because sometimes the wax stick really makes the hair greasy. As far as the parting space, I like the parting space. Usually I'll go in and make the parting space like a little bit more bold, but I feel like it looks super natural like this. So I'm just going to tap a little bit of my Sephora foundation powder in 66 Mocha Spice. I'm just going to pop a little bit of this into the parting space just to kind of make sure it looks, you know, it's looking good. You feel me? Like, it's looking real good. So just a little powder in the parting space, and that is the completed look, guys. Like, this hair video is very, very simple. I co-washed the hair, like I said. I got like a little bit of shedding, but you know when you first get a unit, you're gonna get like a little bit of shedding when you co-wash it. Other than that, the hair is very silky straight. It's very buttery soft. The frontal part, the closure part, I mean, like, you don't have to do anything with this unit. So if you want to do baby hairs, like I said, go ahead and do the baby hairs, but I feel like the hair just looks more realistic, natural, and just very, very bum. Look how, and I don't even need that much volume. I feel like this is perfect. This is the type of hair that when the wind hits it, you're looking like Naomi Campbell with straight hair. Like, this hair, fire. So shout out to Unice Hair Company for sending me this unit, guys. I will leave all the information and a coupon code down below per usual. I love a frontal, but these little pre-cut closure wigs, these nice, you cannot go wrong with these wigs, especially if you're trying to do these types of straight styles or body wave styles in the heat. These units are very quick. You don't have to add glue, so you won't have no slip back, no slide back, no gunk, no nothing. 100%, 1000% glueless. Like, this is it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, coupon codes, links down below. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.